topic is types of adsorption. Depending upon the force of attraction between adsorbate and adsorbent, the adsorption of gases on the solid may classify into two types. First one is physical adsorption or physisorption. In this weak van der Waals forces present between adsorbate and adsorbent. First is non-specific nature. The place of adsorbate is not fixed, as gas adsorb in any place on the adsorbent. So the place is not specific in nature. Next is reversible nature. The gas adsorbed on the solid surface can be easily removed either by decreasing pressure or on increasing the temperature. Next is enthalpy of adsorption. It is exothermic. The process is delta H is negative in it and the heat of adsorption is low. Next is multi-layered nature. Due to non-specific nature, that is not a fixed place, the gas molecules do not have fixed place. So the number of gas molecule adsorb in several layers, one over another, of adsorbate may accumulate on the surface of adsorbent. Next is effect of temperature. Physical adsorption decrease with an increase in temperature. This is because of the strong van der Waals forces below critical temperature. Critical temperature means molecules liquefies as they come closer to each other, so the gaseous state changes into liquid. So this is known as critical temperature, and the activation energy is zero. So the adsorption remain unaffected even when low temperature. Effect of pressure. Physical adsorption increases with pressure, forming multi-layered. Next is nature of gas. Physical adsorption depend upon the nature of gas. Easily liquefiable gases which have higher critical temperature, that is liquefy, more the readily adsorb as compared to those which are difficult to liquefy. Next is chemical adsorption or chemiabsorption. When adsorbate have a strong force of attraction with adsorbent or valence bond or covalent bond is formed, then chemical adsorption is take place. First is highly specific. It is highly specific, that is fixed in place, as chemical bond can form between two molecules, so it should be specific in nature. Otherwise chemical bond do not form if the molecule are not fixed. For example, adsorption of oxygen or metal is same as the oxide is formed. Next is irreversible nature. It is usually involve a chemical change. The bond formed between gas molecules and adsorbent surface cannot be broken easily to release the former from the latter. Next is enthalpy of adsorption. It is also exothermic, but heat of adsorption is higher in chemical reaction as compared to physical adsorption. Next is monolayered nature. It is monolayered. The gas atom or a molecule already adsorbed on the adsorbent surface are unable to form valence bond further with the fresh gas atom or molecule. So the second layer can't be formed. Next is effect of temperature. The extent of adsorption first increases and then decreases with the rise in temperature. This is due to the fact that the energy of activation in the case of quite high. So the rate of reaction is slow at lower temperature and high at higher temperature. Now next is effect of pressure. Like physical adsorption, chemical adsorption also increase with increase in pressure. So the gaseous molecule come closer to the surface and thus formed in the formation of chemical bond. Next is nature of gas. In this it is only possible only when nature of gas depends upon the capacity of the gas to form valence bond with the surface of the adsorbent. So my question is for today, what is physical and chemical adsorption? Thank you.